What if you have 50, 100, or even hundreds of Smartsheet workflows, and you have no idea what all of them are doing? Imagine having to open every single automation, check the trigger, conditions, actions, and then figure out whether it connects to another workflow. That's a lot of manual work. And today, I want to show you an interesting way to use AI to audit your Smartsheet workflows. Let's say you have a complex Smartsheet environment. You might have workflows for approvals, notifications, alerts, moving rows, updating cells, requesting updates, and connecting different processes. Over time, these automations can become difficult to manage. You may have workflows that were created months or even years ago, and nobody remembers exactly why they were created or how they connect to the rest of the process. Normally, you have to go into Smartsheet, open each workflow individually, and document everything manually. Trigger, conditions, actions, logic, connections. And if you have hundreds of workflows, this can take a tremendous amount of time. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Smartsheet's API and MCP currently don't provide a complete way to audit workflow automations. So instead, we can use Claude to control the browser. Claude can log into Smartsheet, open the automation section, go through the workflows one by one, read the configuration, and analyze what each workflow is doing. For example, it can identify what triggers the workflow, what conditions does it check, what actions does it perform, when does it run, and importantly, how does it connect with other workflows or processes. Let me show you an example. I have a Smartsheet with multiple workflow automations. Claude goes through these workflows and captures the important information. Instead of me manually documenting everything, it can create a structured audit document. Here, you can see the workflow name, trigger, conditions, actions, run mode, and the detailed logic behind each automation. But we can take this one step further. It can also generate a visual flowchart. This allows us to see how the different workflows are connected and understand the overall automation process much faster. So instead of looking at dozens of individual workflows, you get a much clearer picture of the entire automation ecosystem. So this isn't really an API or MCP-based solution. It's more like AI controlling the browser and doing the audit work for you. And honestly, I think there are some very interesting possibilities here. If you have a complex Smartsheet environment and want to see whether this approach can audit your workflows, comment "Connect" below. I'll reach out and we can audit your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.